In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Ecwid. Whether you're just starting out with your online store or you're looking to refine your shipping process, this guide will walk you through the basics of configuring shipping options for your products on one of the most user-friendly e-commerce platforms out there. First things first, let's navigate to the Ecwid homepage. You can do this by searching for Ecwid or directly going to www.ecwid.com. Once you're on the site, you'll find yourself at the gateway to setting up your store's shipping functionalities. The next step is to log into your account. You'll see a login button prominently displayed on the Ecwid homepage. Click on this to proceed. If you've connected your Google account with Ecwid, it makes the login process even smoother. Simply click on Sign In with Google. This is especially convenient as it eliminates the need to remember another password, and for many of us that's a blessing. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. If you're like me and have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your Ecwid store. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Ecwid control panel. This dashboard is your command center for managing your online store. Here you can add products, customize your store's appearance, and of course set up your shipping options. Now let's add shipping to a product. Hover your mouse over the catalog section found on the left-hand sidebar of your Ecwid control panel. This will expand a sub-menu where you need to click on Products. This area is where you can see all the items you have for sale, adjust prices, stock levels, and more. After entering the Products section, find the product you wish to add shipping options to and select it. This will take you to a detailed page where you can edit everything about that product. Look for the Shipping and Pickup tab and click on it. By default, shipping is enabled for products, but the real magic happens when you customize how it works. You'll notice under the shipping rate section that Ecwid offers various methods for determining shipping costs. This flexibility is key to offering your customers cost-effective and convenient shipping options. You have the power to specify how each of your products is shipped, which can range from flat rate shipping to free shipping, and everything in between. For instance, if you select fixed rate per item, you can set a specific shipping cost that will be added to the order when this particular product is purchased. This is ideal for items that have a predictable shipping cost. On the other hand, offering free shipping can be a great way to encourage customers to make a purchase. It's a powerful marketing tool that can significantly affect your store's conversion rates. Each shipping method you configure will have its own settings to fine-tune, such as defining regions it applies to, or setting order thresholds. This means you can be as broad or as detailed as needed in developing your store's shipping policy. But here's an important reminder: after you've set up your shipping preferences, make sure to click on Save. It might seem like a small step, but it's crucial. Many changes can go unapplied simply because this button was overlooked. So give that Save button a click to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste. And there you have it. Setting up shipping for your products on Ecwid can be done in just a few steps. By following this guide, you can create a more seamless shopping experience for your customers, which is invaluable in building confidence in your brand and encouraging repeat business. Remember, shipping options can greatly affect your store's attractiveness to potential buyers. Take the time to explore all the configurations Ecwid offers and tailor your shipping settings to best suit your products and customer base. Happy selling, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.